Afternoon world, Jim Andrews in Thailand. Look at this nice Nissan Fairlady right behind me. So we're in Hua Hin, we've got another car show, I can't believe it. So many nice cars here, modified, classic, vintage, you name it, it's here folks. So come on, let's turn the camera around and let's check this place out. What the hell's this thing here, look at it! Look at those insane wheels on the back there. Oh my god, wow. Woo. Wow. Thanks very much! Wow. What's that, Dancer? Very much. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hi guys! Wow. Yeah, thank you, Captain Crab. Where are you from? Bangkok?
Very good.
Where are you from?
Okay, Thailand.
Okay, good. Wow, enjoy. So, wow. Wow, thank you. Wow. What is this thing here? What is it? I have no idea. The engine, what engine is it?
2cc.
Ah, right, okay. 700 brake horsepower, my god. Yeah. How many turbos? One turbo or two turbo? One turbo there.
Big turbo.
Big turbo there. It's a monster, I like it. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. What's top speed? Top speed?
Top speed.
Yeah, top speed.
Maybe
300 kilometers. Wow, absolutely amazing. No, it's beautiful. Thailand, how many of these cars did you say? There's not many, is there, these cars? How many? About?
Maybe 10.
About 10?
10, yeah.
Really? Wow.
Yes.
So here we go, Toyota MR2, Mark II, looks like a Rev 4 or 5 maybe. Needs a clean, doesn't it? A bit disappointed. I'm hoping that I get a chance to speak to the driver at some stage. And there we go, a few choppers here. Look at these here, look. Wow. And then look at old Datsun Sunny here by the looks of things. Look at this thing here. Bloody insane. Wow. Oh my god, wow. What a car. I love it. Wow. 40 years old. Oh, okay. How much are they? How much are they? Oh, right. I like this one here.
Oh, let's start.
This one here. No good. That's me. That's me. How much?
1,700.
1,700. Oh, that's okay. You can buy it. You just put it on the back. Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. Okay. Thanks for that. Thank you. All right. Oh no, look, hey, get out of there, right, okay, right, looking good, see you in a minute. So as you can hear, the DJs were super loud, and to make matters worse, they started to play copyright music, which obviously I can't use on my film. So I'll put my own music in there, folks. I hope you like it and enjoy the rest of the film. I have MR2 in England. England, clap. MR2.
England.
Yeah. SW20. Rev 4. Rev 5, sorry, Rev 5. Is this Rev 4?
This is Rev 4.
Revolution 4. Yeah. Beautiful car, isn't it? Beautiful. Thailand. If I want to buy your MR2, how much are you going to sell? How much would you sell for? How much do you sell this for? Oh, 1 million or lower? No?
Lower.
Lower.
Little bit lower.
No, 800. 800. Okay, maybe one day when I get the money.
Okay.
All right, see you later, buddy. That's good. Cheers, mate. 800,000 baht. So that's about 18,000 pounds. Crazy, isn't it? That's a Rev 4. So that's probably about 1998 MR2. So it did say there's another one down here. So let's find the third one, folks. Oh my god, Toyota Supra. This is the car you want, folks. I love these cars. Absolute monsters. Big money. Look at that. Fantastic. I like that. I think this could be my favourite car actually so far. Go yellow MR2 Mark II. Look at that beauty. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Wow. I like it, Mikey. And I reckon, let's just go around here. MR2. I reckon that's Rev 4 or Rev 5. Let's have a look. Yeah, so that's going to be a Rev 4. That's a turbo. Rev 4, Rev 5. Look at these cars, folks. I'm actually in car heaven here. Beautiful.
You can speak Thai.
You can speak Thai? Look at this. I've never seen a car meet like this in Hua Hin ever before.
เจ็บโอเคผมลิงมาแจกของเนี่ย
Lamborghini. Wow. Beautiful. Hey. Oh yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, very good. I love the Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Great colour.
Yeah.
Great colour.
Yellow my style.
Your friend's car?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yes. Yes. Can I get that? One more time. Oh. Sweet sound. It's a beautiful sound. Okay. Captain Crab, thank you, my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you, my friend. You're a very lucky man. How much are these in Thailand?
11 million.
11 million. Oh my God, that's a house.
Yeah, second hand.
Second hand, 11 million. Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, in Thailand, I have a bad car, Chevrolet. Really bad car.
Camaro.
No, it's an Audi, a very tall car, very tall car. But in England, I have MR2s. I have two MR2s. I have two MR2s, yeah.
Midship.
Midship, yeah, that's right, yeah.
I like midship.
Yeah. But I would love this car here.
Take a picture.
If I had 11 million baht. What a great time we've had at the old car show. They played bloody music the whole way through. I just couldn't talk. They're playing bloody Oasis now. That's why I'm speaking really, really loud. So I hope you enjoyed the film. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. Helps the channel so much. And take care, folks. We'll see you soon. This is Jim Andrews. We're out of here.